Sa Lunes, we will resume the suspension, the suspended kasi yung Senate. We will resume. And usapan namin ni Majority Leader, I will entertain a motion to extend the suspension until the 29th. Okay. Ang dahilan kasi, doon sa um, BICAM report ngayon, bago namin ma-ratify, ang usapan namin, ayoko na nung pareho nung dati, na summary lang, i-ratify na. Hindi pwede. Ang usapan namin, uh, tapos na tapos. Enrolled bill na. Enrolled bill na bago namin i-ratify. In other words, yung lahat ng laman nun, malinaw, nandun na lahat, pati mga supporting materials, supporting provisions, andun lahat bago namin i-ratify. Yun ang pinakamalinis at maliwanag sa lahat. Aside from the fact na ginawa nating open to the public, open to the media, open to everyone interested, yung buong proseso namin from the day Senator Sherwin Gatchalian sponsored the GAB all the way to the last day, the other night na tinapos nila yung BICAM. It was open to the public the whole time. So, pati ratification. Ayoko mag-ratify kami ng summary lang. Ang gusto ko mag-ratify kami yung buo enrolled bill, yung halos pipirmahan na ng Presidente.